what you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? Said my lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss be popping. I'm standing at my locker and all the boys keep stopping. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? Said my lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. All the boys keep jocking. They chase me after school. L'Oreal, yep, 'cause I'm worth it.
Excited for Lisbon.
So perfect.
We're in Portugal. We've spruced. The English is not English. I did FaceTime my dad and he thought I was sweating, but no, this is just a dewy glow. So we can't check in until 4. We can leave our bags there at 1, but currently it's 11:16. So 1 + 1 basically means we have time to kill.
Valentine. Yeah.
Hey! Oh, cutie!
Yeah.
Goal this holiday to not lose anything, to not lose each other. Don't lose our minds.
Our dignity.
Our dignity, I know that's right. Matilda has something important on Thursday. I'm doing an interview for a press junket, so the grind never stops. So far guys, the hills, the other way. The hills are mad. Tell them.
Pork belly in an orange salad.
Yeah. Let me see my eyebrows. To a party already. What a function.
Yeah, we were clapping through. Well, like,
We went. Watch out. We were for like. Is that an Irish accent? Guys. I don't want to talk too much, but some things were said to us that were not appropriate. Someone describing black people as chocolate men to us, and they were not of. You know what I'm saying? Oh, Matilda, we can't bait people out on this. That's a recap of day 1, and then we go again tomorrow. So, see you on day 2. And now we're in a place. Oh my goodness, we're in a place called The Folks. About to get some brunch. I need to do an interview. So we have a couple of hours that we're just gonna spend dilly-dallying in Lisbon. Let's do a taste test.
it's sweet, I guess. That would be vanilla.
That's nice though. Ooh, I like that. Hi, how you doing?
Good. I'm ready for more food.
Yeah, man, we haven't had any pastries yet, have we?
No.
The food has arrived.
Is that food?
And it looks good. One at my time. Hello.
Okay, I'll give it a go. My knees. Just a bit of air.
Oh look, that's my. No wonder my camera's looking funky. Yeah, my camera is gonna stop. Hello.
I'll pick it up. Thank you.
Yeah, ready, wait. Oh, that's cute. I think I am sweating.
See?
Okay.
For everything. Thank you so much.
I'm in my hotel room and I'm ready to do my interview. The setup is interesting. Yeah. I'm gonna just finish my interviews, but I've been having like a weird reaction in my eye, either hay fever or something. Maybe 20 seconds left, and then a tear kind of rolled down towards the end. So I really hope that doesn't make the cut. Okay, so me and Matilda went and got some more pasta de nata because Matilda said that this is better than the pasta that we had.
I think it's got like it's like cinnamon flavour. Can you taste the cinnamon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like this a lot.
Come harder, this won't be easy. Don't doubt yourself, trust me, you need me. This ain't no shoulder with a chip or an ego. What you think they all mad at me for? You need a real woman in your life, taking care home and still fly. And I'ma help you build up your account.
We made it to the roller bar. We are in Java. You know what? We need to take like a good.
Hi, can you get the scenery effect?
Wait, if I turn the camera around, to be fair,
That's it. Look at my hand. Stacey is currently crying because her amateur lashes she did herself are not working out. Oh my shade. Sorry. But look at the background.
It's once hurricane. I'm gonna
final day in Lisbon. Hello, Crystal. If you're in Lisbon and you want to be near the market, you want to get a brekkie, this is a good shout. I mean, we haven't even tasted anything, but it feels like it's going to be good, innit? Just tell aesthetic-wise, this is our vibe.
They do sandos here.
What's a sando?
It's like a kind of Japanese style, but they do the big cut of pork in it.
Yeah. Even this one, even one I'm wearing. Yeah. They just what? Okay, it's dinner, evening vibes. I've got about an hour to get ready, so we're going dressy up today. Little bandeau, long dress with some heels. We're going for like a snatch look today, so hopefully we achieve it.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
I'm not using this camera anymore. It's going straight into my bag, and if I fix it, I fix it. But this is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you tune back next time to my YouTube channel. But thanks for watching, guys. Bye.